In this video, I will show you how to create a histogram in Tableau. First, log into your Tableau account. On the top right, click on the Show Me button, and then a drop-down menu will then show. In here, you can see all the variety of options you want to use. In this case, click on Histogram. You will notice that it will automatically open in your board. As an example, let's drag in sum, quarterly in the box on top on the row bar. It will then automatically adjust your graph based on the positioning. You can also adjust it and put order date on the columns bar. Then adjust if you want it to be in line or graphs. You can also edit the colors and labels to make it more visually appealing or adjust the size of the bars depending on how you want to present your data. Once you are satisfied with the look, you can save your work or include it in your dashboard for better visualization. And that's how to create a histogram in Tableau.